We'll get started today on our backs. So find your way all the way onto your mat. As you come onto your back, your knees will be bent, feet are flat on the floor. Place your hands on your ribs. So right hand on the right rib cage, left hand on the left. Just let the arms relax down, relax through the shoulders, maybe close the eyes. And as you settle onto your mat, soften the muscles in your forehead, relax your jaw. Start to breathe in and out of the nose, thinking about breathing into the ribs. Creating space as you breathe in. Relaxing as you breathe out. Making each breath a little bit deeper. Each exhale a little bit longer. Take 3 more breaths. And then bring your hands down to your hips. Make sure you're in a neutral position to begin, so you have a little bit of space underneath the lower back. Now press your hips forward, coming into an anterior tilt, increasing the arch of the lower back. And then tilt the hips back, find a posterior tilt, losing all the space in your lower back. Do that again. Tilt the hips forward, arch the lower back, flatten the lower back, slightly tuck the tailbone under. Do this a few more times. Gently engaging the abs every time you come into your posterior tilt. Good. Come back to your neutral position. Engage the abs. Lift your legs up into a tabletop position. So knees are stacked right above the hips. Either flex your feet or point them, but try not to let them be completely relaxed here. Keep some engagement. And then reach your arms straight above your shoulders. From here, lower your right arm alongside the right ear. And then exhale, draw your arm back up. And switch. Left arm lowers beside the left ear. Draw it back up. Again, lower the right arm, bring it back up, lower the left arm, bring it back up. Now keep the arm still, extend your right leg out to a hover, use your abs to draw the knee back in, and switch, extend the left leg out, abs pull it back in. Again, extend the right leg, you're fine to keep a bend in the knee, exhale, bring it back, and left. Now we'll combine the arms and the legs, alternating arm and leg. So as your right leg extends out, lower your left arm alongside the ear. Exhale, everything comes back to center. Switch, left leg goes long, right arm goes long. Exhale, center. Left arm, right leg. Exhale, center. Right arm, left leg. Exhale, center. 2 more sets. Right leg, left arm. Exhale, left leg, right arm. Last time on each side. Breathe in. Exhale. Last time. Exhale. Hug your knees into your chest. You can rock from side to side or draw circles with the knees. As you find your way back to center, take your arms out in a T shape. Bring your legs back up into this tabletop position. From here, lower your right foot down toward the floor. Maybe the toes touch, knee stays bent. Exhale, draw the knee back up. And switch. Left leg lowers. Left toes maybe touch. Pull it back up. Lower the right toes. Draw it up. Lower the left toes. And up. One more like this. And left. Good. Option to continue alternating sides, or bring your feet and your knees together. Lower both legs at the same time. Maybe you don't go as far. Exhale, bring it back up. Let's go for 2. 3. 4. You've got 4. 3, 2. Last one. Good. Hug your knees into your chest once again. Gently rock from side to side. And then you'll make your way to a tabletop position. So you can roll over to one side or just carefully rock yourself up. Flip over, stack your shoulders above your wrists, hips above the knees, setting up for an extended table or a bird dog exercise. You'll tuck the right toes under first. Extend the right leg back. Pause here. Press through the heel. Get a nice stretch for the calf. Now, as you hinge forward, think about rooting down through the left shin. Draw the lower belly in. Now, as we start to lift up through the right leg, it's very easy for the left hip to press to the left. Really keep pushing it back toward your midline. Right leg lifts, flex through the foot. You're welcome to keep the left hand down or take the left arm out in front. Hold here or take a breath in, reach in opposite directions. Exhale, draw knee to elbow, squeeze the abs. Inhale, extend out, engage the muscles all along the posterior chain. Exhale, round it in. 2 more. Inhale, reach out. Exhale. Last one. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, extend out, hold, or pulse the arm and the leg up for 8, 7, 6. Lower abs are in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hand and the knee. You can press the hips from side to side. As you find your way back to center, tuck the left toes under, extend the leg back. Really root down through the right shin this time. Lower belly lifts. Lift the left leg up to hip height. Flex through the foot. Option to take the right arm out in front of you. You can hold here or inhale, reach. Exhale, draw it in, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend out. Check in with the right hip. Exhale, bring it in. 2 more. Inhale out. Exhale in. Last time. Exhale. Extend the arm and the leg out. Either hold here or pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hand and the knee. Wiggle the hips. As you find your way back to center, tuck all 10 toes under now. Draw the lower belly in. Maybe think about slightly tucking the tailbone under. Hover both knees off of the mat. And just hold and breathe. Push against the ground so you're not collapsing into your wrists. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Drop the knees down. Shift your weight back. Take some pressure off of the hands. We'll come into that once again. Go ahead and set up. Toes are tucked under, lower abs draw in. Hover the knees, squeeze the abs. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knees. Maybe send the hips back. You can do that same variation or try something a little bit different, coming into a single leg version. So tuck your toes under, draw the abs in, lift the leg. Extend your left leg back just as we did when the knee was down. Lift it up to hip height. Exhale, draw your knee to your chest. Inhale, press it out. Exhale in. For 3, 2, last one. Lower the left toes down. Let's go straight to the other side. Extend the leg back. Exhale, draw it in. For 2, 3, 4. Last time. Drop the toes, drop the knees, send the hips back. You can come all the way back to child's pose. We have one more round, one more variation. Carefully lift your hips up, set up in your tabletop position once again. Tuck your toes under, lift the knees. Holding here, or step one foot back followed by the other, and then step that foot forward followed by the other. And switch. Just stepping out and stepping in. We'll go for 4, 3, 2, last one. Release the knees, lower down, maybe come back to child's pose. Flip the palms up, give the wrists a break. At the end of your next exhale, carefully lift your hips up, come forward onto your forearm, setting up for a forearm plank. So your hands and your forearms can be parallel or interlace your hands, but make sure that your shoulders are right above the elbows in either position. Step the feet back, hips are level, growing long from the crown of the head out through the heels. Hold and breathe. If you want, you can rock forward onto the tippy toes, press back through the heels. If you're moving, we'll go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Lower the knees, drop down onto your right hip, turn the right forearm so now it's parallel to the short edge of your mat. Have your knees bent, and you can have your left hand in front of you or maybe place it to your left hip. Press through the forearm, press down through the right knee, lift your hips up, coming into a forearm side plank or a variation of one. Hold here, or dip the hips down and lift for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hold it up there, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carefully release the hips. Come up to a seat for a moment. Sweep the right arm up. Find a side stretch. As you come up, go ahead and swing your legs around to the other side, lowering down to your left forearm. Knees are bent. Knees are stacked. Hips are stacked. Right hand could be on the floor in front of you, or maybe you bring it up to your hip. Holding here, or lower and lift the hip for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up there, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips down. Come up to a seat. Take your left arm up, side bend over to the right. Come back up, find your way to a comfortable seat. We'll come into a couple of seated twists and then take one final breath in together. So take your right hand over to your left knee or your left leg. The left hand is behind your spine. As you breathe in, think about growing tall through the crown of your head. Exhale, gently twist to the left. And then unwind, go the other way. Left hand to right knee. Right hand behind you. Unwind. Take both arms out to the sides. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale all the way out. And that is it for today. Great job. We'll see you next time.